amateur pancake maker here. Open up the package. Okay, 1 cup water, but I'm putting just a little more than 1 cup because I think it's easier to make thin pancakes. Alright, this is plastic, so keep it away from your heat. Mine's gas, so I need to start it really low so that it heats up really slow. So I'm going to let it heat up over like the 3 minutes that you're supposed to let this mix. That's pretty well mixed. I said it could be a little lumpy. Alright, and that's it. Put 3 minutes on the clock. And I'll be back. The seasoning stuff right down there is starting to smoke a little. So I guess it's hot enough. And this looks pretty good, I guess. So this is my second time making these. I'm not an expert. I've got my big flipper. I got my little scooper because I like making all the pancakes the same size because I'm like that. Now this is the thing I messed up the first time. You do want to add a little extra oil. And this is just normal. This is canola oil, but I think any cooking oil will do. And then just spread it around. Alright, so there's the bubbles, and then when they start to pop, you know that it's almost done, and when they stop popping, you know to flip it. And it doesn't matter. I hope it's big on the pop. Well, maybe it's never gonna flip it. I'm gonna flip it. Oh, hey, it came out pretty good. The reason it didn't stick too badly is because I had the oil. Like, that was the thing I messed up the first time. Not enough oil the first time. Not bad. Okay. Now I just move this oil around a little bit. It's a little toasted. That's okay though. Chris doesn't mind if I burn them too much. I'm always so impatient on the second time. It's not bad. Alright. Third time's a... Oh wait, I gotta push the oil around. I'm flipping it. The edges are a little crispy. I think I probably used too much oil that time. Alright, as you can see, I've been making more of these, and they're getting more burnt and burnt every time, and I think it's because my pan's too hot. So I turned it down to low, which I wasn't expecting. Look, it's all kind of crinkly. Well, anyways. I'll eat that one. Okay, let's try this again. Maybe this time I won't burn it. It's definitely not as burnt as the last one. And yeah, make sure you put the little handle thing on here because even though it's on here, it's still hot. So if you need to move this at all, you can barely even touch this, but obviously the handle's just as hot as the pan is. So don't touch the metal handle ever. Alright, that's good. Okay, so now I'm happy. I'm running out of batter. Alright, so this is the last pancake. It's a little bigger because I had a little extra. And I turned off my gas, and the pan is still super hot. It'll stay that way for a while, so we'll just let it cool down on its own. I'll clean up all this goop, and we'll season it, and we'll put it away. Here's our maple syrups. We've got pure maple syrup, and we've got this espresso infused one, which honestly does taste like you're just chewing on coffee pancakes. It's really cool. All right, enjoy.